Hallo, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce the political party D66, the Dutch Social Liberalism Party. This is the way we say D66. 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 D66 stands for Democraten 66, or Democrats 66, a center party. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on Much Dutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!